Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2015 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. Bike comes in vivid black, got a 103 motor and a 6-speed transmission, got good miles on it, low mileage. Daymaker headlight and spots, got a bra there on the fairing, front end looks real good. Good tire here on the front. Upgraded mirrors, hand grips, floorboards, passenger floorboards. This bike's got the single-handed lid latches, makes it easy to get in and out of. Lockable bags and tour pack. Looks like we've got some goodies in here. What that is. It's like maybe a headset for the rider to passenger communications. Got the plug over here for that, and then one up here. Electronic cruise control, touch screen, chrome switch housing. Got the through the fairing vent there. Let's see, 2,035 miles. Bike's got anti-lock brakes. A little spot here for your MP3 player or iPod. Cranked right up. We ran it through the shop and checked it out to make sure it was good to go. Notice a little spot right here on this top of this bag lid. I thought I saw something else on it. I tried to look, see if I can find it. Wasn't anything that jumped out at me. Tiny little spot down here in that pinstripe. Looks like it just, pinstripe broke just a little bit there. May be a bug over here, I think it is, on that lower leg fairing. Been pollinating on us out here today. Kind of dusty. Anti-lock brakes. She's in nice shape. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. See our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.